Namaskaram. Hello all. Welcome to Rupa Cloth Store, and this is Arun. In today's episode, we are going to see a different product, that is dress materials. All these dress materials are Mangalagiri cottons, which we have plain, which we have printed, and which we have borders on it. So we are going to see all the color combinations one by one in this video. And before getting into this video, please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. And all these dress materials are uploaded in our website www.jowli.com, and the link is given in the below description box. If you click that link, it will directly take you to the dress material page.
Hi, today we are going to see pure cotton dress materials. All this dress material comes in plain, zari pattern, printed pattern. All three combos comes in a pure cotton, that is top, bottom and dupatta. We'll be seeing the designs one by one, the combinations one by one in this video. The first pure cotton dress material comes in a bright beautiful combo, that is yellow with a green color combo, and have a lovely border of gobram shade, and it comes in a thread border, and all over the body you will be having a floral prints. And this is the top part, and top has 2.5 meters, and this is dupatta. Dupatta will be of 2.2 meters, and this will be the pant. Green will be the pant, and the pant measurement will be 2.4 meters. And all these are pure cotton handloom materials. Price range of the material is 630. Other color combination in the same design comes with a blue and a purple shade, and next one will be the pink and a lovely orange shade, and the fourth one will be a green and a light blue shade. So all this have vibrant color combinations and a pure cotton dress materials. The next one comes with a light shade and a dark printed patterns. So the body base will be the light beige color, and will be having a thread border in a gobram pattern, and all over the body you will be having a small floral prints. So we'll be getting a pink color bottom, that is of 2.4 meters, and pink color dupatta in cotton with 2.2 meters, and top also cotton, and all this are pure cotton handloom materials. Price range of the materials 630 rupees, and you'll be having another color combinations. So the base color will be beige, and it comes with a orange color combination. Dupatta and the pant comes in a orange color shade, and next one comes in a blue color combination, blue with blue color combination, and the pant and dupatta goes in light blue shade, and the next one will be in a green color combination, and this comes with a green color bottom and green color dupatta. And all these color combinations are right now available. If you like to purchase, you can directly click the link provided in description. It will direct to our page www.jowli.com. The next beautiful cotton dress material comes in a green with a light blue shade combination, and we have a lovely print in jimiki pattern, and we will be having a gobram pattern border, and pant comes in a sky blue color, and dupatta also comes in a sky blue combination. The pant measurement will be 2.4 meters, and dupatta will be 2.2 meters, and top comes in 2.4 meters. Price range of the material is 630, and you have very vibrant color combination in this. The next one comes with a blue and a purple shade combination, and another color combination is pink and an orange color combination. So this is dupatta, and the pant will be in orange color, and the next one will be yellow with a green color combination. So this also will be having a pant in green and dupatta in green color, and all these materials are subject to availability. The next handloom cotton dress material comes in a beautiful color combination, that is purple or violet shade with a dark navy blue color combination. The border comes in a, and the border has got a thread on it and a beautiful thread weaving, and you have got a dupatta in navy blue color, and pant comes in a navy blue color, and the pant top measurement will be 2.5 meters, pant will be 2.4 meters, and dupatta comes in 2.2 meters. Price range of the dress material is 570, and you have the combination. You have got some more combination in this, that is comes with a maroon with a beautiful black color combination. Pant and dupatta comes in black color. Another beautiful color comes in a light rust shade with a maroon color combination. And one more we have got in green and a maroon color combination. So pant and dupatta comes in a dark maroon shade, and all this dress material priced at 570. To purchase order, you can directly go to our website www.jowli.com. The link is provided in below description. The next cotton dress material comes in a ikat pattern. This is just a ikat print, and you have got a thread border. So beautiful thread border in a traditional pattern, and top part will be in green color and bottom comes in a dark maroon. Dupatta also comes in maroon color. So all these are pure cotton handloom dress materials. Price range of the material is 630. Another combination available in this pattern comes in pink and a dark purple shade border, and a pant and dupatta comes in black color. The next combination comes in a mango and an orange color combination. So you will be getting a dark rust color dupatta and a bottom. And another one comes in a light blue with a dark blue shade combination. So you have a bottom with a dark blue shade and a dupatta comes in a dark blue shade. All this top material comes with 2.5 meters, bottom will be 2.4 and dupatta will be 2.2 meters. To purchase this order, you can directly visit our website www.jowli.com, and you can click the below link provided in the description. The next beautiful dress material comes in a plain with a thread border combination. Top comes in a peach with a thread border, and bottom part comes with a lavender shade pant and a lavender color dupatta. And all these are pure cotton dress materials. Price range of the dress material is 570, and other color combination available is comes in a dark yellow color and a green color combination, and pant and dupatta comes in a green color, and next one will be green with a brown color combination. So top and bottom comes in a brown color, and next one is a beautiful light shade blue with a dark blue color combination. So pant and dupatta comes in a dark blue color. All this dress material are priced at 570. The next pure handloom cotton material, that is Mangalagiri cotton, comes with a plain and a jari pattern. This is a traditional Mangalagiri dress material, and the top part comes in a bright red color and bottom comes with black and dupatta goes black. So all those are pure cotton dress material, and top, bottom and dupatta will be in cotton, and price range of the material will be 570. In this Mangalagiri cotton you will be having so many color combination. I will be showing few of them. Comes with yellow and a red color combination, and the next one comes with a pink and a light blue color combination, and the next one will be blue with a navy blue color combination. So in this Mangalagiri cotton variety you will be having so much color combination. All the things will be uploaded in our website, and the link is provided below. Price range will be 570. The next pure cotton dress material comes in a printed pattern, comes in a Wali print type, and have a very thin line of zari on the border, and the top comes with a light blue and a dark blue shade combination, and pant comes in dark blue, and dupatta also comes in dark blue color combination. All those three material comes in a pure cotton, and all those are handloom materials. Price range will be 630 rupees. Other color combination available in the same pattern comes with a light tomato color shade with a black color combination, and the next one will be yellow with a red color combination, and another combination comes with a green and a dark green color combination. And all those materials are uploaded in our website. Price range will be 630. The next handloom cotton dress material comes in a light beige shade base and will be having a different color combination printed over it. Comes with a fancy prints, and will be having a top with light beige and a blue color combination, and bottom comes in a dark blue, and dupatta also comes in dark blue color combination. All the measurements will be given in below description. Top will be 2.5 meters, bottom will be 2.4, and dupatta will be 2.2 meters. Price range of the material will be 630. Beige with a pink color combination, and the next one comes with a beige and a green color combination, and another one will comes with a red, beige and a red color combination. The next cotton dress material comes with a plain pattern with a thread border, and you have got a contrast pink color bottom and a pink color dupatta. All these three material comes in pure cotton. Combinations and varieties, prints, combos, everything will be varying each time. Thanks for watching this episode, and please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.